Hi, I'm Nick from T7 Training, and today we're looking at Zoom tips and tricks. So, we've assembled a small team here to collaborate with. Hi team.
Hi everyone,
I'm glad we've found time
to
with
you
all
from
the
the
schedules. Alt-M mutes everybody. If you're the host of the meeting, it's important to be able to do that, and on a Mac it's Command-Control-M. Easy. You just run the PowerPoint presentation on your computer, then click the Share button at the bottom of Zoom and click what you want to share. You'll get a little panel at the top of the shared program with the Stop Share button, and if you hover over the green part, you'll get lots of other options. We can even annotate on the shared screen. Just click Annotate. You'll get the toolbar with all the usual drawing tools on it, and you can click the Save button to capture the image with the annotations. Let's do a few quick tips. So to see everybody in gallery view, you can use Alt F1 or you can use Alt F2 to have the main speaker in focus. And if you would like to make sure that the main speaker automatically becomes the large screen in the gallery view, click the settings cog, click Video, then click Spotlight My Video when I speak. You can make a whiteboard for collaboration during the meeting. Just click Share, then click Whiteboard. The usual toolbar is there, and there's also a spotlight button that works like a laser pointer that everyone can see. There's also a button at the bottom left, so you can have more than one whiteboard and flip back and forth between them. Turn off your Alexa or Siri so that it doesn't answer any questions that you might ask during the call, and so that it doesn't answer any questions other people might ask during the call. You can increase the size of text in your chat panel by using Control+ on your keyboard, making it much easier to read. To reduce the size of the text, it's Control-, and if you're using a Mac, you want to use the Command key instead. Last of all, for just a few dollars, we've got our 30-minute online Zoom training session just below. So thanks everyone, and we'll see you there.